Hey guys, so we're here at Fujita Engineering shop or feed. It's not a big place, but there's a lot of RX-7 FDs. It took us about an hour to get here from Osaka. We took about 2 trains here and then we had to take a taxi because we didn't want to take a bus. The wing on this thing is huge. This one has an Amamiya cat. Amamiya kit. So this is a feed's mechanic. His name is Tomo. Say hi, Tomo. He speaks really good English, so he's been helping us out, and he has a white RX-7 FD, and he's about to show us his car.
But my guy is all stock.
Oh, stock? That's okay. Here's the one in the back. Huh? Really pretty. What year is this car?
And 97.
97. Okay. It's clean. And do you drive every day?
3 days.
3 days. Okay, that's not bad. It's fully stocked, same stock seat like my car. What brand is the steering wheel?
It's Nardi.
Nardi?
Nardi.
Nardi.
Nice.
This is awesome too.
Yeah. Is this Cusco?
Yeah.
Cusco. And how many years have you worked for feed?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. It's really clean interior. I think it's cleaner than my car. My car, the back seat has holes.
How much is a clean RX-7 like yours worth now?
To buy.
Good condition.
Okay.
How much? Yeah.
Maybe now is very too expensive. So 5 million and
Ooh.
5 million? Okay.
How much is 5 million yen?
5 million
Do
yen?
some conversion.
5 million.
31. Okay.
32K.
Okay, so
That's
it's
about right, because
it's
we
similar.
get taxed another 15K for ours.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I paid 40,000. How much can you convert
Yeah.
40,000?
So you bought your car for
I have a black one
Oh, in America.
in America, right-hand drive. I paid 40,000
40,000.
USD.
6.3 million.
6.3 million yen. Yeah, too expensive. But some cars left-hand drive cost more.
For us, Japanese cars are cheaper. The American
Right,
ones.
a little bit cheaper. And then if you add, Widebody, it'll cost more. Yeah.
Yeah, you need these guys.
That one.
Yeah.
Yeah, shop's car.
Shop's car. Whoa, that's more.
Oh, shiny.
450
Nice.
Horsepower. Whoa, that's
Dang.
fast. I like the carbon cover. That one's nice.
I like the graphic on the side.
This is feed too, huh?
Yeah. This is feed. So
Oh,
remember
okay.
CP bought one of those, I had to modify it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this is the tank, but this is not the OEM style. This is the
This is the more expensive one.
You need 4 normal type.
normal type.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. We make this. We
The
need
parts?
you to bring here your car.
Because this is custom to the
Yeah. We need
custom
custom.
intercooler.
Yeah,
right?
intercooler, so-
Yeah.
Going back and forth from
You ship your
Chile.
car.
So, for future reference, we come here first and then ship it to America.
Yeah.
And then not get it past emissions.
Well, we don't have that problem.
Oh.
Because Washington.
Yeah.
This red one is really clean as well. Look at that seat.
Please be careful in food.
Sure. Okay, don't trip on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't trip on anything.
Don't trip on anything. Here's a white one. Here's a red one. A lot of stuff. Yeah. Are they a lot of mainly Japanese customers or are American customers?
I don't know. Almost
mix.
customized it in Japan.
All
But
Japanese
sometimes
customers.
foreign country people shipping here.
Ship it. Okay.
Yeah, their car.
Got
and
it. Got
we
it.
make it and bring back.
Okay.
Turbo
Thing is big.
Oh, this is smart. They put the hood pins here on the ends.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's not really a good spot up here.
Yeah. Feed definitely makes the best carbon fiber lip. It's like really nice and thick.
Yeah, it's rolled. It's not just flat.
Yeah. Never seen this wing
adjustable.
before.
Oh,
I've never seen this in person. Adjustable wing.
feed wing, right?
Horsepower does this one have?
Horsepower is 650.
Oh my god. 650.
653.
Oh my god.
But we use
Two.
So like factory.
This one has.
too hard to make 650 horsepower used to rotor engine.
Okay.
Yeah. So big.
That's what she said.
This is a race car though.
Race car. Friend has one Fiat RX-7 FD. He
really?
bought from here.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So Tomo remember our friend's Matt who has a gray RX-7 FD that the shop built, and he said 2 years ago he remembered. A bike here too. Getting some T-shirts. Can I open?
Okay.
It's okay.
That's like thick jersey looking material, huh?
Yeah, it's really nice. There you go. Wow, look at that, beautiful. So if we put it on the car, it's gonna look something like this. This is really nice. Yeah, 55,000 yen. Yeah, so it's about $350. So okay, thank you. The one on the black car, same thing or different?
Yeah, different. This
Different.
is cover type, but out of stock now.
Out of stock, no more.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that one is a real carbon fiber.
Yeah.
This one isn't a real carbon
Yeah,
fiber.
no.
Got it. Oh, okay. So it's cheaper.
Yeah, because it's just
because
Oh.
only cover.
it goes over.
Oh, got it.
because
got it.
the stock is metal internal.
I see.
It's just what would normally break is this was made of plastic.
We might buy a red seat belt from Feed. Just trying to check out what it looks like in person. I've been trying to find online, but couldn't really find anything that looks nice enough. There's like a bunch of like non-brand name seat belt, and the price is about $270 for one belt. I might just buy it for the driver's side and see what it looks like. You need time to make this too, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one has no logo. Okay, I was hoping to have a logo. And then, so in order for us to buy the red seatbelt, I have to ship back the OEM seatbelt from my car, which is not going to work out right now because my car is in Seattle. So we might have to, figure out other alternative.
Comes with everything.
No,
not the way.
no
Just a
wing.
kit.
Just body.
Just kit. Just front fender and rear fender.
Okay.
And
Okay.
side step only.
Hmm.
Three.
Oh, not the front?
Front fender, rear fender, side step.
Oh,
okay.
Not front bumpers.
How much is that in US dollars? Wait, 3,100?
Yeah.
That's it?
So
No
you
way.
you make this looking car. You need front car and rear wing. Two.
Okay.
So you
Got
still
it.
need a bumper
Okay.
and then the wing, and then
Got
you can
it.
make it look like this one.
And then labor is not included.
No, you have to cut the car.
Got the card. So today we're going home with 3 things: sticker, T-shirt, and air separation tank.
Oh no,
What?
I'm not getting that thing.
Okay, never mind. I'm not going home with the air separation tank.
Just go to the hospital.
But
Someone's in jail.
they're gonna ship it to my aunt, and my aunt gonna ship it back to
6
us.
years.
But it's really good that we have Tomo here because he speaks English and he's been showing us around the shop
20,
and showing us different cars that they have. Do you guys recommend for the audience to visit the shop?
Yeah, absolutely. I think if you're really into RX-7s and you're trying to see some cool FDs or even buy some cool FD stuff, they're a very reputable brand. They've been clearly building winning race cars for many, many, many years. So, I mean, look how big this
It's huge.
1998 trophy is.
Yeah. So they know everything about RX-7 FD.
And if you need help with someone that speaks English, we have Tomo here.
Tomo! Tomo, do you work 6 days a week, 5 days a week? 6 days a week.
Sometimes like it.
Sometimes I say, okay. Yep. If you come here, you need somebody who speaks Spanish. No, speak Spanish. Speak English. Ask for Tomo. Do you speak any other language or Japanese, English?
Only English.
Only English. Okay, that's good enough.
English is good.
Thank you again. Arigato.
Let's go. This is
Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? Well, that's it, guys. We visited Fujita Engineering shop, and it's been such an amazing experience. If you guys come to Osaka, be sure to come visit this shop. It's about an hour train ride, but then you might have to take a taxi, which takes about 6 minutes, and we paid about $10. So you're gonna see so many beautiful, well-built RX-7 FD. And if you need somebody who speaks English, make sure to ask for Tomo, who's a mechanic here. See you guys next time. Bye.